We hello my followers Nigerians. Hello my followers all over the world. My name is Sheye Campus, aka Papa Stop Shebe. If it is first time that you are watching my video, please kindly help me like this video and share it and comment and subscribe it. Thank you very much. May God be with you. May God bless all my fans all over the world. Thank you very much once again. Yeah, if I come out today, if you people see me today, not because of another thing, it's because of our icon of this moment. It's because of our hero of this moment, Mr. Omoyele Sowore. Because I have one or two things to discuss with you people about Omoyele Sowore issue. But first of all, let me address our federal government, most especially Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari. President Muhammadu Buhari, what is the matter? What is the problem? This man that is being in DSS custody since some few months ago is not a criminal, man. It's not a terrorist, Mr. President. Omoyele Sowore is not a criminal. It's not a terrorist. If Omoyele Sowore came out, ask you people revolution now, it's because he can see the condition of our country. Our country is not moved forward since 59 years ago. Look at our country. We have many problems in our country there, Mr. President. The problem that we have in Nigeria today is bigger than Mr. Sowore matter, Mr. President. In our country there, Mr. President, we have the problem of electricity. We have the problem of water. We have the problem of hospital. We have the problem of road. Look at our road here and there, Mr. President. Look at our road here and there, Mr. President. Nigeria citizen, we cannot longer to stay in our country anymore. Why, Mr. President? Because our country is not good anymore. Look at the way, Mr. President, look at the way our people scatter all over the world. They have to left their country to go and look for their daily bread for another country, Mr. President. Why? Look at the way Nigerian people are dying here and there all over the world. Look at what is happening in South Africa recently. Look at the way they are killing our people there in South Africa there. Look at the way they are wasting Nigerian life in Malaysia there, Mr. President. Look at what is going on in Libya about our people there, Mr. President. Can't you think? Look at since this Mr. Sowore, he has been in DSS custody since almost some few months, and this man is a family man. You don't even think about his family at all, Mr. President. Hey, Mr. President, my last video that I made, I plead on you, on behalf of all Nigerians, that you should free this Mr. Sowore. But Mr. President, you are refused. You are refused to release this man. I even pleaded on you, on behalf of Almighty God for you to release this Mr. Sowore. You said that you will not release him. Mr. President, free Omoyele Sowore, Mr. President. Release Omoyele Sowore, Mr. President. Omoyele Sowore is not a criminal. He's not a terrorist. All his followers, Omoyele Sowore followers, they are not a terrorist. They are not a terrorist, Mr. President. Free Omoyele Sowore, Mr. President. Free Omoyele Sowore, Mr. President. What is the matter, Mr. President? And let me use the opportunity to address our celebrities, our Nigeria celebrities, both Igbo celebrities and Yoruba celebrities. Chema Fu, about Hausa celebrities. Shame on you people. Shame on you people, our celebrities. Shame on you people. You people cannot come out with one force to speak out to tell our federal government that what he's doing is not good. You people cannot tell our federal government to release Omoyele Sowore. You people cannot come out in one force to speak out to let our federal government realize that this man that he arrested is not a criminal, is not a terrorist. He should release him. You people cannot come out. All what you people care about is just to come to social media to show people your words, to make proud of yourself, what you becoming, what you are. But whatever anything you people you are today, whatever anything you people becoming today, we are the ones who make you people become celebrity. We are the one who make you people become stars. We are the one who make you people become celebrities. But you people cannot come out to say one or two things about this Mr. Sowore matter. You people just kept quiet. Do you say anything? I know why you people cannot come out. Because you people eti dodo. Le sododo mo, most especially Yoruba celebrities. Eti dodo. Le sododo. You don't even shame of yourself, you people. You don't even shame of yourself, our celebrities in Nigeria. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. And let me talk to our Nigeria youth. A good citizen of Nigeria like me. My followers, Nigerians, my people in Nigeria, look at it today. Can't you see today? Can't you see? In my language, that I used to say, look at it today. The last election, president election, I came out and made campaign for Omoyele Sowore. I told our youth to vote Omoyele Sowore. I told you people that you should vote AAC party. You people are not listening to me. You people are not listening. I told you that you should not vote for APC or PDP. They are all thieves. They are all thieves. Since 59 years ago, these people, same people, they are ruining us. They are the one that's ruining us. Man, look at the condition of our country today. Look at the country today, our people. Nigeria doesn't have any problem. The only problem that Nigeria ask is we Nigerians. That is problem of Nigeria. I'm telling you, we are the one that is the major problem that we ask Nigeria there. We are the one, we Nigerians. We don't like to support ourselves. We don't like to give full support to ourselves. And our last hope is this Omoyele Sowore, because this Omoyele Sowore is fighting for you, is also fighting for me, is fighting for individual, is fighting for Nigeria, better Nigerians, better Nigeria. I mean, may look at it today. May please and please, my followers Nigerians, don't let us force hands. I know that you people are fed up, just like you people are tired. This is not the time to tire. Ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ kì í ṣe oníṣẹ́ o. Ẹni tó bá forí tì dópin, wọn náà nà ó gbàlà. Please and please, keep on give protest about this Omoyele Sowore. Let us continue and make protest for him until they will release this mama. Please and please, my followers Nigeria, don't let us abandon Mr. Sowore for that DSS custody. Please and please, let us give this Omoyele Sowore full support, so that by the time himself will come out, by the time that he will come out, he will know that we do something for him when he was not around. Please and please, my followers Nigerians, my followers all over the world, my people that be in diaspora there, if people that be in diaspora can still continue to give full support for this Omoyele Sowore, to make protest for this Omoyele Sowore, why we? Let us continue to give protest. Let us continue. Don't scared of anybody. Don't scared of our federal government. The God is by our side. It will give us the victory. And the victory, it will be our own by God's grace. Thank you very much. May God bless everybody. May God bless all my followers all over the world. May God bless Nigeria also. Thank you very much.